Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited to be talking about one of my favorite topics today, making money as a writer. If you've always dreamt of turning your passion for words into a career, then you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'll be showing you 5 actionable ways to start making money at writing today. So grab your notebook, sit back, and let's get started. The first way to start making money writing is through freelance writing. With the rise of the internet and the ever-growing demand for quality content, businesses and individuals are willing to pay for it, and that's where you come in. You can offer your writing services to those in need and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. You can find freelance writing opportunities on job boards, social media, or by reaching out to potential clients directly. The key to success in freelance writing is to consistently deliver high-quality work and build a strong reputation as a reliable writer. 2. Content mills. If you are just starting out, content mills can be a great place to begin. These websites offer writing jobs at a flat rate, providing you with a steady stream of work and the opportunity to build your portfolio. While the pay may not be as high as you could earn as a freelance writer, it's a great way to gain your experience and build a solid foundation for your writing career. 3. Blogging. Another way to make money writing is through blogging. Start a blog on a topic you are passionate about and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. Not only will you get to share your thoughts and ideas with the world, but you will also have an income stream. To be successful in blogging, you need to consistently produce quality content and actively engage with your audience. Building a strong following will increase your chances of monetizing your blog and earning a steady income. 4. Writing and selling ebooks. The self-publishing revolution has made it easier than ever to turn your writing into a profitable business. Write an ebook on a topic you are knowledgeable about and self-publish it on platforms such as Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, or Barnes & Noble Press. Ebooks are a great way to share your expertise with a wider audience and earn passive income. The growing of popularity of digital books, the demand for ebooks is only going to increase. 5. Grant writing. Finally, non-profit organizations are always in need of grant proposals, and as a writer, you can offer your services to help them secure the funding they need. This type of writing can be lucrative, but it requires research and strong understanding of the grant writing process. To be successful in grant writing, you need to have excellent research skills, a strong understanding of the organization's mission, and the ability to write compelling proposals that will convince founders to start their cause. So there you have it, 5 ways to start making money writing today. Remember, earning a significant income as a writer takes time and hard work. But by starting with these methods, you can begin to build your writing career and start earning money from your passion today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'd also love to hear from you in the comment section. Let me know which of these 5 ways you are most excited to try. Until next time, keep writing and keep earning.